Okay, in this video, we will be showing how to assemble and wear the shoulder harness strap for the MagEx. So the MagEx will ship with a shoulder harness. Depending on which shoulder you want to carry the MagEx, find the curved side of the harness and make sure it is facing you. Before you connect the harness strap to the clips on the front and back of the instrument. The system will come with two body straps, one larger than the other. Select the length that's most comfortable for you and connect it to the front clip on the shoulder harness, making sure that the adjustment handle is facing forward. Lift the MagEx, put the shoulder strap around you, and with the help of another person, maybe turn, there we go. Adjust the strap on the back. Or clip the strap on. You know the shoulder harness is on correctly if the strap is flush with the harness. You can use the handle in front to adjust the tightness of the body strap. The system height can be adjusted using the front and back straps to position the sensor higher or lower to the ground. These straps can also be used to ensure the system handle fits comfortably in your hand with your arm fully extended.